Okay guys, welcome to your 10th tutorial on Java for beginners. And in this one we're going to look at arrays. Now array basically is given this is a string array, okay? And these are the three brackets you use. The name or the variable name I've given mine is my array, and then I've assigned these string names to my array, okay? Just something else before we go any further. You see up here where we have Java. I see we have the squiggly line. Well, when you hover over that, it will tell you that it's imported but never used. You see it here? And that was used from the one where I was using the scanner, okay? So here we have an array, and that's the array start at 0 based like all computers. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Even though it's 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I have print 0 and we get John. If I go in here and I print 3, we should be able to get 0, 1, 2, 3 bread. Okay, just save that. Hopefully now if Eclipse isn't going to be slow, we get this to run very fast. Launching. Yeah, there we go, Brad. Okay, now we can try it. We can print number 0. And for 0, I expect to get John again. Save that. Run that. It's 87%, so she's trying to launch. And there we go, we get John. So again, that's one way to build an array. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you another way how to build an array. And I'll use an integer this time. Okay, thanks for joining me. Take care, guys. See you then.